"The most incomprehensible thing about the universe is that it is comprehensible," said Albert Einstein. Physics. Just the word itself can spark a mixture of awe and apprehension. It's a field that grapples with the fundamental laws of the universe, from the smallest subatomic particles to the grandest galaxies. But here's the thing. Physics isn't about memorizing complex formulas or getting bogged down in abstract theories. It's about understanding the elegant principles that govern the world around us. It's about appreciating the beauty of a falling apple, the power of a lightning strike, or the intricate dance of planets around a star. Physics is a journey of discovery, a quest to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. And the best part? This journey is open to everyone, regardless of your background or prior experience. So whether you're a student just beginning your physics journey or someone simply curious about the universe, remember this: physics is not about memorizing the answers, it's about asking the right questions. It's about embracing the unknown with curiosity and a thirst for understanding. The universe is a vast and wondrous place, full of secrets waiting to be unlocked. Let's embark on this adventure together. One equation, one experiment, one aha moment at a time. In the world of physics, understanding reigns supreme. It's not enough to simply memorize equations or regurgitate facts on a test. True mastery lies in grasping the underlying concepts, the why behind the what. Think of it like this: you can memorize the rules of playing the piano, the position of each key, the different chords, but that doesn't mean you can play a beautiful melody. To truly make music, you need to understand the rhythm, the harmony, the emotions behind each note. Physics is the same way. When you understand the fundamental principles, the equations become more than just symbols on a page. They transform into powerful tools that unlock the secrets of the universe. Don't get me wrong, equations are important. They are the language of physics, a precise and elegant way to describe the world around us. But they are just a means to an end, a way to express the deeper understanding that you've developed. So, as you embark on your physics journey, focus on building a strong foundation of understanding. Ask yourself why at every turn. Challenge yourself to explain concepts in your own words. Physics isn't confined to textbooks or laboratories. It's all around us, woven into the very fabric of our everyday lives. From the moment you wake up to the time you lay your head down at night, you're surrounded by physics in action. Consider the simple act of walking. With each step, you're witnessing Newton's laws of motion in play. Your body's inertia keeps you moving forward, while the force you exert against the ground propels you ahead. Friction between your shoes and the floor provides the necessary grip to prevent slipping. Or think about the way your smartphone works. It's a marvel of modern technology, but at its heart lie fundamental principles of physics, electricity and magnetism. Tiny electrical circuits process information at lightning speed, while electromagnetic waves allow you to communicate with people across the globe. And let's not forget the awe-inspiring beauty of the natural world. The crashing waves of the ocean, the swirling patterns of a hurricane, the vibrant colors of a rainbow, all can be explained through the lens of physics. By making these real-world connections, physics becomes much more than just an academic subject. It transforms into a lens through which we can view and appreciate the world around us with greater depth and understanding. So how do you go about mastering physics? It's not about cramming or memorizing, it's about active engagement and consistent effort. Here are a few practical tips to make your physics studies more effective. Start with the basics. Physics builds upon itself, so a strong foundation is crucial. Make sure you have a solid grasp of the fundamental concepts before moving on to more complex topics. Practice, practice, practice. Physics is like learning a new language or playing a musical instrument. The more you practice, the better you'll become. Solve plenty of problems, work through examples, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn. Visualize concepts. Physics can be abstract, so try to visualize the concepts you're learning. Draw diagrams, create mental models, or use simulations to help you understand how things work. Break down complex problems. Don't get overwhelmed by lengthy or complicated problems. Break them down into smaller, more manageable steps. Focus on one concept or equation at a time. Teach someone else. One of the best ways to solidify your understanding is to teach a concept to someone else. Explain it in your own words, answer their questions, and you'll find that your own grasp of the material deepens. Section 5. Your Physics Toolkit, Resources for Success. You don't have to navigate the world of physics alone. There's a wealth of resources available to help you along the way, from textbooks and websites to videos and online courses. Textbooks. Your textbook is your primary source of information, but don't be afraid to explore other texts for different perspectives or clearer explanations. Online resources. Websites like Khan Academy, Hyperphysics and Physics Classroom offer a treasure trove of free educational materials, including video lessons, practice problems, and interactive simulations. Educational videos. Sometimes, seeing a concept explained visually can make all the difference. YouTube channels like Veritasium, Physics Girl, and Minute Physics offer engaging and informative videos on a wide range of physics topics. Online courses. If you're looking for a more structured learning experience, consider enrolling in an online course. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udacity offer a variety of physics courses, from introductory to advanced levels. Section 6. Curiosity is king, question everything. Physics at its core is about questioning the world around us. Why do objects fall to the ground? How does light travel? What are the fundamental building blocks of matter? Embrace your inner child and never stop asking why. Challenge assumptions, explore different perspectives, and don't be afraid to delve into the unknown. The more you question, the deeper your understanding will become. Remember, some of the greatest breakthroughs in physics have come from those who dared to ask unconventional questions and challenge the status quo. Don't be afraid to be wrong. Mistakes are an essential part of the learning process. Embrace them as opportunities to learn and grow. Seek out mentors. Find someone who inspires you, a teacher, professor, or even a fellow student, and ask for guidance. Engage in discussions. Talk about physics with your classmates, friends, or family. Explaining concepts to others can help solidify your own understanding. Section 7. Overcoming challenges. Don't give up. Physics can be challenging, there's no denying that. You'll encounter concepts that seem counterintuitive, problems that leave you scratching your head, and moments when you feel like giving up. But don't. Every physicist, from Einstein to the newest student, has faced struggles along the way. Break down large tasks. Feeling overwhelmed? Break down large assignments or study sessions into smaller, more manageable chunks. Celebrate small victories. Acknowledge and celebrate your progress, no matter how small it may seem. Seek help when you need it. Don't be afraid to ask for help from your teachers, classmates, or tutors. Focus on your progress. Instead of dwelling on your mistakes, focus on how far you've come and what you've learned along the way. Section 8. The power of collaboration, learning together. Physics doesn't have to be a solitary pursuit. In fact, some of the most exciting discoveries arise from collaboration and the sharing of ideas. Form study groups. Working with your peers can provide support, motivation, and different perspectives on challenging concepts. Explain concepts to each other. Teaching someone else is one of the best ways to solidify your own understanding. Work through problems together. Collaborating on problem solving can help you approach challenges from multiple angles and find creative solutions. Share resources and insights. Exchange helpful study materials, websites, or videos with your classmates. Section 9. Finding your physics passion. The journey continues. As you delve deeper into the world of physics, I encourage you to find what sparks your curiosity, what ignites your passion. Whether it's the mind-boggling world of quantum mechanics, the search for extraterrestrial life, or the quest to understand the origins of the universe, let your curiosity guide you. Physics is an ongoing journey of discovery, full of wonder, challenge, and endless possibilities. Embrace the journey, never stop questioning, and never lose sight of the awe-inspiring beauty of the universe we inhabit.